Hi guys, Mankanwal here. Just wanted to go over a forceps that I received a sample of. This is a MultiCROC forceps by Primed. It allows multiple bites of tissue during endoscopy. The packaging is similar to most forceps, and the tip or the jaws of the forceps is covered by this plastic sheath as to protect it during transportation. From a horizontal view, you can see that this is a forceps without really any serrated edges. It does have a cup to it, which we'll see better on this other view right here. So interestingly, there is no spike either in this, and that helps catch more tissue. Here I'm doing an upper endoscopy and taking some samples from the duodenum. And as we move back and forth, and you can see that there's minimal damage to the surrounding tissue. On this set of videos or clips, I'm taking biopsies of the stomach, and as you'll see here in just a moment, there's minimal tissue damage. We take a bite here, and you can see that it's no different than any other forceps that we have. And you can see just a little bit of a divot left behind. So once again, very similar to any standard serrated jaw or forceps with a spike. Over here, after we finished the stomach, we did some samples of the colon as well, and you can see they're quite easy to use, and we're able to get tissue from different folds. Another interesting comment about these forceps is that you can see the jaw do not open very wide. That might be a slight limitation, but I think the manufacturing is challenging. In order to be able to create a forceps that can hold 5 or 6 pieces of tissue, you have to have the jaw open a certain diameter. So after we're done with these procedures, you can see here the tissue is encompassed or enclosed within the cups of the forceps. And removal of the tissue is very easy. You just place it into the forceps, or into the formalin, shake it back and forth, and then eventually you'll see in this next picture 5 or 6 separate pieces of tissue, all of good size from a macroscopic point of view. In overall, this is a pretty good forceps. I can see it being very useful in cases where you have to do mapping for intestinal metaplasia in the stomach, or in situations where you're trying to evaluate a patient for IBD. This is the MultiCROC forceps by Primed, and in disclosure, I did receive this as a sample, and it's an excellent forceps for what it's used for. I don't know if this is a daily use forceps. I don't have information on pricing or anything along those lines, but at this point in time, it looks like it's a forceps that will add to our armamentarium of tissue acquisition devices. Thank you.